Google has just flipped the switch on what it's calling the biggest Chrome upgrade in history. The world's most popular browser is no longer just a tool for opening websites. It's being rebuilt as a full-fledged AI system, with Gemini integrated directly inside it. From the moment you start browsing, Chrome now studies your activity, what you search, read, and watch, and learns your patterns so precisely that it can anticipate your next move. It doesn't just wait for input anymore. It responds like it already knows your intentions. And this is just the beginning. Chrome can now process pages in real time, bring back sites you visited days ago, and tie directly into YouTube, Maps, and Google Calendar. It blocks scams before they even load, rewrites weak or compromised passwords instantly, and soon, it'll run as a full autonomous browsing agent, handling multi-step tasks quietly in the background and only asking for your confirmation before executing. At the center of all this is Gemini, Google's most advanced AI model, now baked straight into Chrome. What was once a premium, subscription-only feature is now free for anyone in the US using Chrome on Mac or Windows with English set as their language. And soon, Android and iOS users won't be left out either. On Android, you'll even be able to summon Gemini instantly by holding the power button. On iOS, it'll be built directly into the Chrome app itself. So what does this actually mean? Gemini isn't just about answering trivia. It can read and understand the page you're on, compare information across multiple tabs, and even recall a site you visited last week without you scrolling through your history. Shopping for a walnut desk but forgot where you saw it? Just ask, which site had that walnut desk I was browsing? And Gemini will bring it right back. But it doesn't stop there. Gemini is connected to Google's entire ecosystem. That means it can jump to a specific moment in a YouTube video, add an event to your Google Calendar, or pull location data straight from Maps without leaving the page you're on. One demo even showed someone asking Gemini to take them to a specific point in a video, and it happened instantly. Chrome isn't just a browser anymore. It's a control center for Google's AI services. Google is calling this the most significant redesign of Chrome since its launch in 2008. Instead of being a passive tool that only displays web pages, Chrome is becoming a smart assistant that understands the web itself, helps you accomplish more, and protects you as you browse. One visible change is AI mode in the Omnibox. That's the address bar. Instead of just typing short queries or URLs, you can now ask complex, full questions. If you're on a product page, Chrome won't just summarize the details. It might suggest follow-up questions like, "What's the warranty policy?" or "Compare battery life." And all of this is happening directly in Chrome, without switching to Google Search in a new tab. That's a major strategic shift for Google. The browser itself is becoming the hub for AI. One of the most exciting developments is AI-driven browsing. Soon, Gemini won't just help. It will actively perform multi-step tasks in the background. Think booking a haircut appointment, filling a grocery cart from your email, or drafting a message, all while you continue browsing. The key point? It won't complete sensitive actions like making a purchase or sending an email without your explicit approval. Google tested this concept before under Project Mariner, but now it's rolling out at scale. They're even experimenting with something called AP2, Agentic Payments Protocol, that could allow AI agents to handle pre-approved payments in the future. Security is another major angle. With Gemini Nano built directly into Chrome, the browser now detects scams more effectively, from fake virus alerts to phishing pop-ups. Google says these AI protections have already cut down 3 billion fraudulent notifications every single day on Android alone. Permissions and notifications are also smarter. If Chrome thinks you're unlikely to grant access to a camera or microphone request, it'll downplay or block it automatically. And passwords? They're becoming one-click agents. On supported sites like Spotify, Duolingo, H&M, and more, you'll be able to reset a compromised password with a single click. So why is Google making this shift? Chrome has always been more than just a browser. It's been a gateway for Google Search. Every Chrome installation reinforced Google's dominance in search and gave it valuable user data. That's why Chrome even ended up in a US antitrust case. Now, with AI becoming the next big battleground, Google is using Chrome to build the same flywheel effect, this time for Gemini. Think about it. OpenAI has ChatGPT, Anthropic has Claude, Microsoft has Copilot in Windows and Edge. Google doesn't want Chrome to just sit there as a dumb window to the web. By weaving Gemini into every layer, tabs, search, security, Chrome becomes the front door to Google's AI ecosystem. Of course, not every feature will land perfectly. Ordering groceries through Gemini might sound flashy, but the real value will be in everyday experiences, smarter tab management, instant article summaries, and scam protection running quietly in the background. Those subtle improvements can fundamentally change how people feel about their browser. Right now, these features are rolling out in the US in English, mostly on Mac and Windows. Mobile and other regions will follow, along with workspace accounts for enterprise users. And the stakes couldn't be higher. If Chrome becomes the default AI browser, then for billions of people worldwide, Gemini becomes their first AI experience. That's exactly the position every AI company is fighting for. And Google might actually be able to pull it off thanks to Chrome's massive reach. The future of browsing is shifting fast. Chrome is no longer just about typing a URL, it's about talking to an assistant that can actually get work done for you. But here's the big question. Is this an exciting leap forward, or the start of something we might regret later? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more deep dives. Thanks for watching.